My friend, the next few years won't be easy, so hear me out carefully. If you don't stick to this principle, it's very easy to stumble. Everything I'm about to say comes from real lessons paid for with blood and tears. Rule number 1. When you can make money, don't be lazy. When opportunities to make money appear, go all in. Look around. The people who make money didn't have smooth journeys. Those who truly make fortunes did so only during a few golden years when the timing was right. Think about those who jump early into live streaming or cross-border e-commerce. They caught the wave and they make it big. But once the trend faded, it became 10 times harder. Money and opportunity don't wait. If you hesitate, they'll be gone, and you'll be left with regret. Rule number 2, no background, no backing. Then save money. If you don't come from wealthy family or have any connections, then cash is your only safety net. Forget the idea of you only live once spending. If you have no one behind you, your savings are your shield. Your family money is emergency money, not luxury money. Don't waste it on useless gadgets or impulsive shopping. Save cash because when your child needs tuition, your parents needs medical care, or you lose your job, money becomes the solution to every crisis. Having cash in hand is the real security for ordinary people. Rule number 3, don't quit without a backup plan. Unless your company stops paying you or delays your CPF or benefits, don't resign out of emotion. Everyone gets frustrated at work, that's normal. But before you hand in that letter, ask yourself, how will I pay utility bills next Monday? Where will my meal money come from? We work to build stability, not to prove a point. Endure for now. When you build enough savings and skill, then go and find a better job. Don't quit in anger, it only traps you later. Rule number 4, be skeptical of get-rich-quick schemes. These days, scams are everywhere, both online and in real life. Investment traps, crypto scam, fake agents, they all look like golden opportunities. But most are just pits waiting for you to fall into. When money gets tight, people crave shortcuts. But remember this, easy money is the most expensive kind. Almost 90% of scams can be avoided if you stay rational. Don't let the money you work